Welcome to Any Connector Audio Insights, where operations meet intelligence. This is Olivia Bennett. When businesses talk about digital transformation, one assumption often dominates the conversation. We need to replace our legacy systems. But what if that's the wrong place to start? What if the fastest, least disruptive path to modernization isn't replacing what already works? It's helping those systems work better together. Let's explore why modernizing your operations doesn't have to mean starting from scratch. Digital transformation has become a priority for almost every business. New technologies like AI, automation, analytics, and cloud platforms promise greater efficiency and better customer experiences. But many organizations make one costly assumption: that modernization requires replacing their existing ERP, HR, payroll, or POS systems. In reality, those systems often still do their jobs remarkably well. The real problem isn't outdated software. It's that those applications operate independently, creating disconnected workflows and information silos. Modernization isn't always about replacing technology. More often, it's about connecting the technology you already trust. Think about how most businesses operate today. HR manages employee information. Finance handles payroll and accounting. Operations oversees scheduling and reporting. Every department relies on different applications. Each system works. But when they don't communicate effectively, employees become the connection between them. People copy information, verify reports, send emails, and manually coordinate work that software should already be handling. Modern integration platforms remove those barriers. They don't just move data. They automate workflows, standardize processes, and help every system work together as one connected operation. One of the biggest advantages of an integration-first approach is that change happens gradually. Instead of replacing multiple systems at once, businesses can improve one workflow at a time. Maybe onboarding between HR and payroll comes first, then scheduling, then workforce management, then reporting. Each improvement delivers value immediately, while existing systems continue supporting day-to-day operations. That means lower risk, faster results, and far less disruption than a large-scale replacement project. Modernization becomes a journey of continuous improvement instead of one massive leap. Buying new software doesn't automatically create a modern business. Better business processes do. When systems communicate automatically, approvals move faster. Reports become more accurate. Employees spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time creating value. But automation alone isn't enough. Businesses also need visibility. They need to know how workflows are performing, where delays occur, and whether integrations are working as expected. Because the more connected your operations become, the more important it is to understand what's happening behind the scenes. That's what gives organizations the confidence to grow without losing control. At the end of the day, customers don't care whether you replaced your ERP. Employees don't care whether your software is 5 years old or 15. What everyone notices is whether the business works smoothly. Can information move quickly? Can teams collaborate efficiently? Can leaders trust the data they're using to make decisions? That's what modernization is really about. The businesses moving ahead aren't necessarily replacing every application they own. They're building connected operations that allow every application to contribute to better business outcomes. Because the smartest modernization strategies aren't the most disruptive. They're the ones that help everything you already have work better together. At Any Connector, we help businesses modernize with confidence by connecting existing systems, automating workflows, and creating a foundation that's ready for whatever comes next. Because modernization isn't about replacing everything you have. It's about unlocking more value from everything you already use. Thanks for listening to Any Connector Audio Insights. Stay sharp, stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one. This is your host, Olivia Bennett.